Ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? It might sound like a fantasy, but with affiliate marketing, it's absolutely possible. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works and how you can start earning in 2025. Affiliate marketing is a simple concept. You promote products or services from companies, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. This win-win system rewards you for connecting customers with businesses. Some popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Shopify Affiliate Program. These platforms offer countless products and services that fit nearly any niche. Here's how affiliate marketing works. First, join an affiliate program and receive your unique affiliate link. Then, create valuable content to promote the product or service. Finally, share your link and earn a commission whenever someone purchases through it. Why should you consider affiliate marketing? It has low startup costs, requires no product creation, and offers scalable potential for passive income. With the right strategy, you can grow your earnings significantly. The first step to starting affiliate marketing is choosing a niche. Focus on something you're passionate about or knowledgeable in, like fitness, tech, or personal finance. A focused niche helps you build trust and attract the right audience. Once you have a niche, join affiliate programs that align with it. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate are excellent places to start. These programs provide links and resources to help you succeed. Next, create valuable content to promote your affiliate links. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or social media page where you can share reviews, tutorials, and comparisons. Focus on helping your audience solve problems and meet their needs. To succeed in affiliate marketing, honesty is key. Only promote products you believe in and have tested yourself. Create high-quality, informative content that builds trust with your audience and encourages them to click your links. Avoid common mistakes, like spamming links without providing value. Choose products that genuinely align with your niche, and always disclose your affiliate partnerships to maintain transparency and credibility. To enhance your affiliate marketing efforts, use tools like Google Analytics to track performance, Canva to design visuals, and WordPress to build your blog. These tools simplify the process and help you optimize your results. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn passive income. Start today by exploring the affiliate programs linked in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more wealth building tips.